Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. Today I'm going to show you how to make these colorful, eye-catching granny squares. You can see they've got lots of texture and are very fun to look at, so stay tuned. I'll be using very bright, vibrant colors, as you can see here, but you can choose whatever colors you want. Plus we'll be using scissors, yarn needle, crochet hook, and this is an H. And then we do need some yarn markers, and 2 colors preferably. I'm going to start with this bright pink color, and we'll be making a chain of 13 stitches. So just create a slip knot, chain 13, and then slip stitch through that first stitch to create a circle. Now we're going to put 30 double crochets into the circle. I'm going to chain 3, and that will count as the first double crochet. And then I'll put 29 more stitches in there, and I'll see you at that point. I've got my ring completed. I'm going to just cut a tail, pull it through, and we'll do an invisible join. And if you need help with that, I will have a link in my description for this video. But we're going to skip the first chain 3 and put our needle through both hooks, or sorry, through both loops of that stitch, pull it through, and then we will go through the back loop only of the last stitch we did. That will create an invisible join, and then I'll just tie it off and weave in the ends. Going to our second color now, and I'm going to be using the orange for the second color. We're going to do basically the same thing on all of these. We'll start with a slip stitch, chain 13, and this time, instead of joining the ring like we did before, we're going to take our first one, put the tail through the center, and now we'll join, and that will keep these, this will attach those 2 rings. So I'll just do a slip stitch, and there they're attached, as you can see. And then chain 3 and 29 more double crochets into that second ring. That one's done. I'm going to join it with an invisible join again. And the third one, we're going to make sure that we can see both of these, the center of both of them. And so I'll start with my yellow and do the same thing. And then I'll be putting the tail through both of the centers. So make sure that you're in the center of both of them. And the tail goes right in the middle. And we will close the loop. Chain 3 and put 29 more double crochets, and I will meet you at that point. I've completed all 3 rings now, and we're just going to arrange them so that we've got, it doesn't matter which order they go in. We've got 2 at the top and 1 on the bottom, kind of like that. We'll adjust it and make it right in just a second. Okay, now we're going to be using our stitch markers. I'll be using 3 yellow ones so that I know where we're going to join. First one we're going to place where the first and the second ones meet, and it doesn't really matter for the first one which stitches we use. I'm just going to put in that marker and hold that together at the place where this circle and the circle meet. And then moving to the right, moving clockwise, we'll count over 12 stitches on this first ring here on the right. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and that's where the next one will go. So I'm just going to put this in here just to kind of hold it. And then I'm going to attach it to about the point where the orange one also connects at the same point. If this isn't right, we can adjust them in just a minute. Okay, now moving around, we're going to count 14 stitches clockwise on this bottom circle now. So that's 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Go right there. And I'm just going to put half of that in there. And then on the first ring that we did, we're going to count back 14. So from our starting point, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is the stitch that the other half of this will go into. Touch that there. All right, now I'm just going to make sure that our edges are even. We'll have 11 stitches between one of these sections and 13 between the other two. So starting here, these are the stitches between. This is the one we started with. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then starting from here, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then this next one should also be 13. So from this one, we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, we're good. All right, now this is basically a triangle, and we're going to make it into a square. So there's 40 stitches around. We're going to make corners every 10 stitches. So you can just start basically where you want. What I usually do is just put one in the first stitch. So I've got 2 stitch holders there. And I'm going to count 10 stitches and mark another corner. So moving, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's where our next corner will be. Notice I'm using different colors, so I know that the red ones will be the corners. Counting from here, we'll be going from pink to orange. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that one will go there. I'll count 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And these two are connected, so that's 8, 9, 10. Right there. And then we'll make sure that we've got 10 spaces to the next corners. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. All right, now we're ready to put on our next round. And, okay, the corners will have triple crochets in them, and main part or the sides will have doubles. So I'm going to use what's called a standing triple crochet here. And I think I'll just start in this one that's got all of the stitch markers in them. Okay, to do a standing triple, I'm going to make a chain. Put my hook in there. Tight. And then with a triple stitch, you know, you can do a yarn over twice, so I'll do that. And then hold those loops so they don't come apart. Then I'll go into the stitch where I have both of my stitch markers. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through two. They do kind of fall apart a little. Yarn over, pull through two. Yarn over, pull through two. This is called a standing triple. That means that we didn't attach the color and then chain 3 or 4. So it's a lot easier in many ways. It looks better. It looks more like a triple stitch than 4 chains. Then I'm going to do 2 chains and another triple in the same spot. And that will be the second half of the corner. Chain 1 and skip 1 stitch. And I'm going to put a triple in the next one. So these corners will become more square. Chain 1, and then I'll do a double in the next one. Chain 1, skip 1, double, chain 1, skip 1, triple, because this is at the next corner almost. Chain 1, now we're in our next corner. We'll put a triple, chain 2, triple, so triple in there. Chain 1 and skip 1, put a triple in the next one. Chain 1, skip 1, and then we're going to do a double in this next one, which is the joining, one of the joins for our circles. Those two are next corner, so I'll do a triple there. Chain 1, and here's our corner space. We'll put a triple, chain 2, triple. Chain 1 and another triple, skip 1. Okay, so that's where we went there, skip that one. Put our next triple right there. Chain 1, skip 1, double. Chain 1, skip 1, double. Chain 1, skip 1, triple. And that will go through the next marker. Chain 1, skip 1, and then we're at our next corner, which is the red marker. Chain 2 and a triple in the same space. Chain 1, skip 1, triple in the next one. Chain 1, skip 1, double. Chain 1, skip 1, double. Chain 1, skip 1, triple, since we're getting close to the corner. And now we're at our first corner that we did. Just going to chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet into that corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, that counts as the triple. Chain 2, and then triple in the same space. With that corner completed, we're going to put double crochets across to the next corner. We'll put 1 in each double crochet from the previous round plus 1 in each chain space. There will be 11 altogether, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The 11th one will go into the corner, the other corner. 10, and then the 11th stitch will be in the corner space, first stitch in the corner space. So we have 11 across. In the corner we'll do a triple, chain 2, triple. And then finish this round putting 11 double crochets on the side, and in the corner space we'll do another triple, chain 2, triple. I finished that round and joined it, so it's basically a square now, and if you want you could stop at this point, but I think that to give it just a little bit more stability, we're going to add one more round, and this will be a series of half double crochets and front post double crochets. So I'm going to start with my standing double crochet this time, so I will make my slip knot in this orange, start in the corner, hold that loop down, then go into the corner, okay, and that's a double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet, same space. Okay, the next one will be, we're going to alternate half double crochets and front post double crochets. So we'll put a half double crochet in that stitch, and then we'll do a front post double crochet in the second one, and then we'll continue alternating half double crochet, front post double crochet, half double, front post, we'll end with a half double crochet just before the corner. In the corner we can do a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and then continue around. Just what you're going to do is, starting in the next stitch, that will be a half double, and then a front post, half double, front post, half double, and so on. The corners, we've got a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. And there we go. I finished off that round and joined it and wove in my ends, and we're all done. I hope that you found that it wasn't too hard and you've got a really awesome square there. Change colors, make it yours. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and leave me a comment. I appreciate it. Thanks.